Welcome everybody to EJJ Rugby Show. Yesterday we uploaded a video about South Africa versus Ireland. If you watch our videos, please subscribe. The upload did not work, so I will talk now about the insights and the review what I think about Ireland versus South Africa. Duane Vermeulen must go back to France. He did not play very well. Willie le Roux must go back. He's not like he used to be. JP Pietersen, they must all go. All the old guys must go. Kolisi, how can he play 80 minutes for South Africa, but he does not even play 80 minutes for the Stormers? Come on guys, come on guys. Alistair Coetzee, this is a wake up call for you. Please wake up, because you are not awake. Our team was not awake Saturday at 7 o'clock. We were still on the bus. So this is and Faf de Klerk can stay, but I think he's gonna stay. It's the only two guys that was awake and wanted to play, but the other players did not want to play. So you guys will tune in again at EJJ Rugby Show panel. Bye guys.